Randy TV.
Hello, good day everyone. Welcome back my channel Randy TV. Now we are cooking eggplant fried. No, fried is a salad eggplant. Okay, I will try this and watch. Okay, first clean, take out the skin, and then after this, to make slowly to separate each other. Okay. Okay, for first tomato, around and second cucumber. Yes, onion, after onion, so we put more and more. Yes. Okay. So nice color. So small chili, red chili, and vinegar. Okay, let's go. Let's go. After that, we put little, what is this? Pepper powder. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's ready. Wow. Yummy. Very nice. So thank you for watching and liking my channel. So see you again in more video to come. Okay?
Randy
Bye.
TV.